That's right, 2 suits finally arrived and we're gonna get into them right now. On my very last menswear video, I said that I was gonna show y'all how to do it. I have 10 suits. There's 2 hangers that's empty. That's the 2 suits that I just sold. So we got Abraham Moon and Sons, VBC. We got the Huddersfield. We got 2 suits coming. One for the summer, one for the fall winter. So this is my fall winter situation right here. And this is my summer situation over here. I have room for 2 more. I usually keep a dozen. So here are the 2. I said there will be 1 spring and summer and 1 fall winter. Ooh, look. So we know which one this is. This is the first time I'm seeing this green bag. Spier Mackay Sartorial. Have any of you guys seen this bag before? Alright, we're going to put that one to the side because you know this one is going to be special. Let's get into this one. This one is non-returnable. So you will see it on the Spier Mackay section on Style Forum if it doesn't work out for me. Ooh, a new. Man, Spier Mackay must have saw my videos with the me throwing the bags. And they came out with some new bags. I wonder if this material is like, I don't know, more breathable. So let's get into this. We're going to just unzip it. Okay. Wow, that's nice. Still has the window and the hanger and the zipper here. Ah, new logo. So here's the first suit. Now, on first glance, I'm liking the brownness of this. This is a wool silk linen blend. It has your more slubby texture to it. This is a Filarte, right? I always wonder why they put these tissues in the arms. Normal belt loop, flat front pants. Jacket. It's quarter lined, so you got lining in the shoulders, lining in the sleeves, unlined body. Can you see through it? Yup. See through. 4 buttons on each sleeve. Of course, we're gonna do buttonholes. Working if this works out for us size-wise. I like to see all the basting stitches on the double vents. Let's see how the quarters are. Nice shape to the jacket. Nice open quarters to the double vents. I think this is gonna work out really well. Now your boy put on a few LBs since the last time you saw me, but here's the pants, right? Sucking it in a little bit. Boom. Here's the jacket. And this is one of those Bris shirts that I got. So the shirts are still fitted. They were pretty fitted when I first got them, but hey, and they've been laundered a few times. So this is with all the basting in, right? I think the sleeves, let's see. The sleeves, I got a mirror over there so I can kind of step out of frame. See myself, I can't see myself while I'm on the camera though. But, and the audio is probably going to be stupid, but here, I think this is a good fit. Remember before I had some space here? Look, there's absolutely no space. I can't even eat a sandwich right now if I have this buttoned up. Yeah, but here's the suit. I'll put a link in the description to this one, right? So let's do the flannel now. Pro tip, your bottom button for your suit jacket should hit right about your waistband, right? So when you button your jacket and it happens to open, your tie will be right here. So you don't have that unsightly bit of shirt showing through there, you know what I mean? Y'all know what I mean. This is with the non-high-rise pants. With the ones I'm about to try on, the waist is going to be way up here, so we won't even have to worry about that. All right, boom, let's get to it. Now here's the pants on the Marling and Evans flannel, right? Higher rise, like I said, right? You got that hangover. It makes it smooth like this. So when your pants are peeking out from your jacket, you know it does. You don't look like you got that gut hanging out, right? And you don't gotta wear your tie down here in order to kind of camouflage the gut. But here are the pants. Don't mind the hem again, because you know I'm gonna hem them, right? Boom, boom, side adjusters. Haven't adjusted anything. Here's a pro tip. When your shirt comes out of your pants throughout the day, all you have to do is unzip your fly, and then you just pull the shirt down, right? Boom, boom. And now you've got it smooth again, right? So let's get the jacket. It's like 40 degrees outside, but in here it's nice and toasty. So I might have to put the ceiling fan on. Okay, so here's the jacket. I hardly ever button this inside button, but boom, I just go like that. Make sure it's smooth and just hit the button. Just give it a tug if I need to, right? This thing fits absolutely perfectly. Look at them on the cuff. Shirt cuff that's showing. This is out the box, right? This is, man. I know some of y'all, you know, need to go to the tailor to get your stuff fitted and whatever. And that's commendable, but it adds an expense, right? And look, I'm chubbed up. So when I drop that extra couple of pounds, look at the shoulders. Look how it fits in the shoulder, right? Y'all tell me I can't see myself. I'm gonna obviously look at it when I edit this, but I'm starting to sweat. Hey, let's get this thing off. Woo! Guys, I'm extremely pleased with the way these fit and the way they look and feel. The fit and finish on these are excellent. I'm going to go into more detail about both of these suits once I get the working buttonholes in and the pants hemmed and everything and drop like 5 pounds. Maybe I'll try them on again. But hey, this is the Spier Mackay Sartorial situation. This is the Spier Mackay Core. I believe now they're calling it Ellis. Right? Situation. Both of those have Japanese Bimberg wherever you see the lining at, whether it's full or quarter. They both have the barchetta, which I showed before means little boat pocket that curves, right? They both have the jetted pockets. The attention to detail and what you get. Listen, I think I paid $700 for both of these, right? Shipped to my door with no tax. They both have genuine horn buttons. You might pay $700 for this, just this suit, right? This one and this fabric, this cloth, you're gonna be paying easily over $1,000. Hey, but this is Big Bris. If you like what you saw, hit it with the thumbs up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do another video. I'm trying to make them a little shorter, because you know I'm gonna do maybe a video when I go down, get the buttonholes done, and then I do the cuffs myself on the hems, and then I'll try them on again. Maybe I'll show them how I fully wear them out. Hey, this is gonna round out my 12 suit stable, and then I'm gonna show you each piece and how it fits in its place in the wardrobe, along with the 12 shoes and then the accessories and everything else like that. Hey, if you like what you saw, hit it with the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe so that you could not miss any of these things. I do stuff like this all the time on my channel. And until the next one, stay well. Hey, go back and watch the playlist of some of my other videos on clothes, and then the videos on shoes, and then some other stuff.